If you want to find out how to monetize your blog post without lifting a finger, you're on the right video. Stay tuned because in a moment I'll be taking you through the auto linking feature in Thirsty Affiliates Pro, which, if you do a lot of content work, is going to blow your mind. Hey, it's Josh Colback here for Thirsty Affiliates, the plugin for WordPress that helps affiliate marketers earn more and stay organized. This is a feature review for the Thirsty Affiliates Pro auto linking feature, which helps you connect up keywords in your content to affiliate links throughout your blog. If you have a lot of content on your website or you plan to produce a lot of content on your website, then this is the feature that you'll be wanting to pay attention to because it's the easiest way to monetize your blog posts with the least amount of effort. So let's get stuck in. I'll go onto my computer now and we will go through exactly how to use the auto linking feature in Thirsty Affiliates Pro. Okay, so here we are on my computer. We're going to go through the auto linking feature in Thirsty Affiliates Pro. So I've just logged into my little demo site here, which is just a blank WordPress installation. You can see on the front end, we're just using one of the default themes. And I'm going to do a few things here. So what I want to do is add an affiliate link, which we can do using Thirsty Affiliates. And we need to define a set of keywords that we want for that link to auto link up to. And what we'll also do to demonstrate the auto linking in action is set it to task on one of the blog posts that we post. So I'll just put in some dummy content there and we will get started. So let's jump in here and we'll create an affiliate link first up. And you can do this in any order because the auto linking actually works dynamically. It doesn't matter if it's an old post, one that's already published, or if it's working against a new post. It will pick them all up. So let's just call this one Thirsty Affiliates just for demonstration here. I'm going to just set the URL to our website, but this is exactly where you would put your affiliate link URL. So against the end of that, you would see ID equals blah, 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 whatever your affiliate program has given you. The main section we want to look at today, though, is this auto link keywords section. So this is where I can actually type in a set of keywords that when they appear in the blog posts that I'm writing, it will automatically find those keywords and link them up to my affiliate link. So in this case, I'm just going to type in Thirsty Affiliates. And I can use the comma key there to add another keyword, or you can use enter to insert that keyword there. We might want WordPress plugin, affiliate plugin, something along those lines. So you'll also notice a couple of other little settings here. So this one's the limit setting. So this is how many links per keyword that the auto linker should place before stopping. Now, if you set the value to 0, it'll follow what you have in your global settings. So there's a whole section in the global settings, which I'll show you in a moment, to do with the auto linker. And if you set it to 0, it'll follow exactly what's in those global settings. If you set the value to -1, it will disable this limit altogether. So it'll just, for every keyword that it finds, it'll actually put in those keywords. So just for demonstration here, I'm going to set that to -1, and that will have it automatically link up every single keyword just for this particular affiliate link. So enable auto linking inside headings. So generally speaking, this is set to no by default because usually you don't want to have a link on a heading, so a H1, H2, H3, etc. kind of tag. That's usually not done, but in some cases, some people need that. And there's also a randomized placement. So if you have set this limit, for example, to 3, and you don't want it to just link the first 3 instances, you can randomize the placement of these links throughout the article so that it doesn't look the same each time you load the page. So in this case, I'm just going to leave that set to no, and I might actually just limit this per keyword limit to 3 there, just so you can demonstrate that as well. So I'll hit save here on this link, and while this is happening, I'm going to actually I'll just wait for that to save. And what we need to do next is create a blog post so that you can see this in action. While that's loading there, I'm just going to go and grab some dummy text here. This is just a lorem ipsum generator. Grab a bit of this text here, copy that, and put it into our post here. Just for demonstration purposes, I might just split this up a bit. And I'm just going to call this test post and publish that. And we'll just preview this on a new tab here so you can see. And you'll notice that there's nothing auto-linked up yet. It's because we don't have the keywords in there. So let's go back and we'll just add in a couple of those keywords there. I know one of them was thirsty affiliates. And there was another one there called WordPress plugin. And I think the last one was affiliate plugin. So now if I hit update on this post, and we'll wait for this to save. When you come back to the post there, you'll notice nothing has changed. So these keywords that I've added in the back end have not been linked up inside of the actual post. It happens on the fly. So if we go back to the post on the front end, and I'll just hit refresh here, you'll notice now that these affiliate links that we've dropped in here have been automatically linked up. So that's exactly how the Autolinker works. It will find these keywords on the fly inside of a post, any post, whether it's a new post or an old post. So the old posts, it's great for monetizing your back catalog of blog posts, and you know, if you've written a lot in the past, you can add affiliate links to your Thirsty affiliates and it'll go back and monetize those old blog posts. So it's a really fantastic way to immediately monetize all of your content across your blog. So the final thing that I wanted to show you here was a quick overview of the settings page. So if you go to Thirsty Affiliates and Settings, you'll find the Autolinker tab there. And you'll notice a couple of settings here that look pretty familiar. So we've got that keyword limit thing here. This is the global default for that. We've got the random auto link placement. This will enable random placement of auto links globally. And link inside of heading tags. Again, this is to be able to link in H1, H2, H3, H4, etc. type headings. And you'll only need to enable that if you really want it. Disable auto linking on archive pages. So if you wanted to, so by default, Thirsty affiliates will auto link inside of archive pages. So that's including blog category pages and tag pages. If you want to, you can disable that, and that will reduce the number of affiliate links on those kinds of pages. Disable the auto linking on the home page. So this is a similar sort of feature. If you do show blog posts as a feature on your home page, and it is an automatically updated list there, it's likely that that feed will also get auto linking across it. You can use this to disable that feature on the home page. Enabling auto-linking in feeds. So by default, Autolinker does not replace keywords inside of feeds, and this is RSS feeds that I'm talking about. The reason for that is sometimes that can cause feed validation issues depending on the affiliate link and the content and a whole bunch of factors. But this feature, this setting here, will actually turn that back on, and I suggest that if you do use this, you go and validate your RSS feed using one of the W3 validator services. Enable Autolinker on the following post types. So we give you fine-grained control to enable Autolinker across whatever post types you have in your WordPress installation. Some themes, they will automatically add in some extra post types. So you might have something like testimonials or projects or something along those lines, where you can put in extra content that'll be relevant for your theme. And this is where you would go in, you can attach, you can add extra post types into that field there. So the final one on this page is clearing the Autolinker cache. And Autolinker actually self-manages its own cache of the links and the keywords for performance reasons, so that we can do it as quickly as possible across your site in real time. And this button here will let you manually trigger a rebuild of that cache. And it's probably something you will never ever need to actually press, but you know, if because the Autolinker, it maintains the cache whenever you save a link or you change a link's value or something along those lines. However, if you are experiencing issues, you can use that to try clearing, rebuilding that cache and see if the issue goes away. So that's the Autolinker settings. There's one more that I want to show you, which is on pages and posts. Doesn't matter where you go. I'll just go into this sample one here, and you'll see down here, all the way on the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see Disable Thirsty Affiliates Autolinker. So if I checked this, it would mean that there is no autolinking that's going to happen for that blog post or page or whatever post that you're looking at all. So that can be handy if you still want to keep it on for all the rest of that post type, but you just don't want it on this particular page. You can disable it on a one-by-one basis. And if you want more videos like this one, we have a YouTube channel where we're constantly adding new tutorials, how-tos, and more for affiliate marketers. So click on that little logo on your screen right now and you'll be able to subscribe there. And don't forget to hit that little bell icon too, so that you get notified about each new video. And that concludes this feature overview video of the Autolinker feature in Thirsty Affiliates Pro. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned a couple of tips to improve your affiliate marketing.